Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. As we all have done the practice of word problems from textbook, we have some more practice of word problems on your workbook 3B. Now you can see on page number 99, these are the simple word problems. Look at question number 4. Mrs. Javed spent 1 hour 27 minutes cooking and 1 hour 43 minutes doing the laundry. What was the total time she spent doing the household? Now both the times are given. You can easily find out the total time. It's so simple word problem. Look at the next question number 5. Mr. Ahmed took 1 hour 36 minutes to drive from X to town Y. He took 45 minutes to drive from town Y to town Z. How long did he drive from town X to town Z? They already have given the distance from X to Y, that is 1 hour 36 minutes, and Y to Z is, as you can see, Y to Z distance is 45 minutes. Now you have to find out the total distance from X to Y. As you can see, the total distance from X to Z, this distance you have to find it out. You can easily add minutes into minutes and change them into hours and minutes. Move to the next page. Look at page 102, question number 3. Jamie spent 5 hours 35 minutes reading a non-fiction book and 50 minutes less reading a fiction book. How long did she spend reading the two books? Now you have the time for non-fiction books, that is 5 hours 35 minutes, but you don't have time for fiction books, that is 50 minutes less than the non-fiction. It means if you will subtract 50 from 35 minutes, but you can't subtract from 35 minutes, so before making the sum you have to take the borrow 1 hour, that is 4 hours. If you will add 60 into the 35, the answer will be 4 hours and 95 minutes. Now you will subtract 50, you will get the time for fiction. What you have to find it out, how long did she spend reading the two books? She has read the two books, fiction and non-fiction. You have both time. This is the non-fiction time. The time you will find from the fiction books with the sum, you will find out the total. This is the time of reading of two books. Now look at the next question number 4. Karen took 7 hours 55 minutes to sew a dress and a skirt. If she took 3 hours 27 minutes to sew the skirt, how much longer did she take to sew the dress and then the skirt? But you can see that first 7 hours and 55 minutes is the time to sew the dress and the skirt, both. This is the time for dress and a skirt. After that they are saying if she took 3 hours 27 minutes to sew the skirt, this is the time for skirt, that is 3 hours and 27 minutes time to sew the skirt, but you don't have the time to sew the dress. So first of all you will find out the time to sew the dress by subtracting. After that you will have both time, skirt and dress. They are saying how much longer did she take to sew the dress than the skirt. You have to find out the longer time of stitching the dress than the skirt by subtraction. These are the two questions that you have to do with proper statements. That's all for today. Thank you guys.